Well, this unit here is not that old. Looks pretty good overall, but you see that right there from the outside? And look what happened. And this is what happens when dogs piss on your air conditioning unit. And a good reason to keep, a fence around the unit. Keep your animals away. Oh boy. And look at this. God damn it. When you have this on a unit, you're supposed to put your low voltage wire through there and then pull this closed. It is unbelievable that guys don't do that. So many... Oh, God, I'm going to snap.